Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Meta Business Suite. So let's get started. So here we are in our browser and we are in the Google search, and I search Meta Business Suite, and this is a way for you to get into Meta Business Suite if you don't know how to get into your Meta Business Suite but via your Facebook app or maybe in a Facebook website. So this is a simple and easy way for you. So all you have to do is search Meta Business Suite in your browser or in google.com, and you would have this first result right here, and you want to click on that. And as you can see, we are now in Meta Business Suite right here, and that's very easy. And from here we can actually see the account that we have right here. As you can see, this is a Facebook page of mine. So once you click here on the arrow right here, down arrow, you can see all the business accounts that you have and your accounts right here. Then you could just switch between accounts right here, or if you want to create a new account, a business account, then you can just click here on create a business account, and from here you can name your account right here, and you would provide a first name and last name of your personal details, and from here you can use your business email right here. We'll use this email to contact you about your business. It won't be visible to your customers. So for this one, I recommend that you have one business email for all of your accounts right here in Meta Business Suite. In this way, you can have all your emails in one place. But if you don't want it, then you can also do a separate business email if you'd want to, but that's just a recommendation. Now let's go and cancel this so that we can go back right here. So from here, what we're going to talk about is, first, let's go here and edit so that you could customize your Meta Business Suite UI. So from here, let's click here on edit right there. And from here, you could actually see what you want to see. So the maximum tools that you can use here in Meta Business Suite is 10 tools right here, but you can switch them from time to time. So you could select business feed, or if you are game streaming, then that is a tool that you must have right here. So you want to check this one if you are streaming games on Facebook or maybe Instagram, or and Inspiration Hub, inbox, that is very important. Planner, account quality, if you want to, billing and payments, I think I want this one. Business apps, page settings, I also want this. And if you have something right here that is not really relevant or important to you, then you can just remove that so that you could save some tools right here, some space for you to enable other tools right here. So once you are satisfied with this one, you can actually go and click here to save it right here. So once it's saved, then you can see it all immediately right here. So when you go into all tools, then you would have it right here. Sell products, and as you can see, we have it right here, and you can see it in your Meta Business Suite once you have edited it right here. So let's go now to all tools, and from here what we're going to do is actually I'm going to show you all the tools right here. So there are a lot of tools right here, and you will not use all of them presumably, because some of them are just for certain business pages. It is not really relevant to everyone or every business page right here, some of them, but some of them are really relevant, just like this one, Ads Manager. Of course, you want to put ads into your business so that you could have more clients or whatsoever, audiences like that. But some is not really relevant, like game streaming. Some are not using streaming for their page, so this one is irrelevant. And now the next thing that we'll do is that we're going to go here under manage, because this is where all accounts have in common. This is where you manage your page. So of course you would need to know more about this. So from here, we're going to page settings. I think this is a very important place to be knowledgeable about. So from here, in general, you can see a lot of tools right here for shortcuts, page visibility. So you want to make sure that this one is not unpublished if you are looking or starting posting your content. So you want to make sure that this is edited into published right here. So you want to publish your page first, all right? just in case that you didn't know that you have to publish your page first before you can start posting so that other people can see it. And you have here visitor posts, auto create reels, just like this one. This one is very useful if you are utilizing this one, and a lot more right here. Age restrictions right here, country restrictions. So this is important if you don't want to show your content to specific countries, just like that. Or you want to make sure that it is available for everyone, this country and age, just like that, so that everyone can view your content and you would have more audiences. And also for the rest of the settings, you're free to explore right there, but those are like the most important one. And of course, your messages right here, people can contact my page privately. You want to make sure of that so that they can DM you, not just in comments. And next one is the messaging right here. You can customize your messaging right here, but I guess this is pretty much self-explanatory. You can copy your messenger link and just give it to them so that you can DM or have a private conversation with them. And here in page roles is where it is important, because you want to assign people here in your Facebook page a role. So all you have to do is type your name in here, and you want to select the role that you want them to have. So if you want them to be an admin, then of course they would have all the permissions to do everything here on your page. Or editor, all they can do is to edit, and moderator, so that they can moderate your audiences and some other events here in your page. Advertiser, analyst, custom, and so on, just like that. So this is a very important section right here. So you can see all the roles right here that would be listed. It will be listed right here, and you can edit it right here for each people. So now from here, let's go here into Instagram right here, this section. So when you click this section, you can actually connect your Instagram account right here, so you can get more features across Facebook and Instagram. And I really recommend that you have a Facebook and Instagram account for your pages or for your business. And this way, people have more ways on reaching you, and you have a broader platform that you can advertise your business or your promos or your products. And also you have here WhatsApp. When you click on this one, you can also connect your account right here, same as Instagram. So if you have noticed that you have audiences or customers or clients that prefer using WhatsApp and is asking you to you message in WhatsApp, then you could just get this feature right here. You can connect your WhatsApp feature right there, and that way you could connect your audiences to your page more conveniently, and they won't have to do much about it because they prefer this mode of communication right here, this two. So this might be a viable option for you. And now that we're done with here, let's go down so that we can see the payments right here. So this one is also important. You can also select your currency right here according to your preferred currency. So make sure you select the right one. And now let's go back right here on all tools in this button. So from here, what we're going to do is go here into settings, because we have some really important things right here. So what we can see here is the business assets. So you want to go here, and you can see the assets that I have here on my business. So if you are trying to connect your business right here, your Meta, into Shopify, then you could actually connect it using it right here. I have a business pixel on Shopify, so if you don't know what this is, then you would know when you go to connect your Shopify into this Meta business account of yours. And I already have it like this. So if you are a store, you're selling products right here on Facebook, or you're using your Meta business account, then Shopify could really help with that. And this is the business pixel. This is really useful for you as a store here in Meta. So you could use the Shopify to make your store more accessible, convenient, simple, and premium. And you could go here into people, and you can see everyone around here that was added into this account that has access to this account right here. And you can see the roles. And of course, this business settings right here. When you go here in business settings, you can see the accounts right here. So from here, you can actually go here into pages, and you can add a page right here, add people, view page, and you could add a page right here. And by clicking this button, click on add page so that you can add one. and your ad accounts right here. So if you don't have an ad accounts, then I really recommend you to do so by clicking here. And business asset groups. From here, you could also create a business asset group by clicking this button. And of course, your Instagram apps right here. Then you could add it right here if you want to. And your WhatsApp accounts. If you want to add a WhatsApp account, you can add it right here under business settings. So from also the commerce account, I seem to have skipped it. You can also add it right here. As you can see, I have Shopify right here. So you might want to add your Shopify right here if you are looking forward into having a Shopify store on your Meta Business Suite. And after that, all of this right here are practically, you can explore it on your own. They're not really that much of importance. So from here, you can actually see the pixels right here. And as you can see, I have, or if you were listening earlier, I mentioned the Shopify pixels, and you could actually go and see it right here, or you can add it right here by tapping here on add. And as you can see, I have my pixel name, and of course your website for easy setup options. You can provide it right here, your Shopify store, and you want to go back. And that's pretty much it for this video. I have shown you all the important and basic things that you can do here in Meta Business Suite, because I just wanted to keep it general, because not all features right here on Business Suite is applicable to all accounts. So that's basically it.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.